Welcome to Pocket Tutorials.
Hello and welcome to OpenShot. In this lecture, we will be learning about how to add a track, how to delete a track, how to rename a track, and how to lock a track. Now, as you can see, I have two tracks available over here, and I have already named them as audio clip 1 and video clip 1. Say for instance, I want to add a track above audio clip 1. All I have to do is right click on the track, or I can choose this drop down menu over here. It will show me the same options: add a track above and track below, rename track, lock track, and remove track. So right now I want to add a track above the audio clip 1. So I'll just click on this first command. Now next, what I want to do is I want to add a track below audio clip 1. So click again and add a track below. Okay, I want to rename this track 2 as video clip 2. So I will go ahead and I will type that out. Okay. And say for instance, I don't want this fourth track. I just wanted this audio clip 1, video clip 2 and video clip 1. So I don't want this fourth track. So what I'll do, right click and just click on remove track. Now next thing is locking a track. Locking a track, you can just go ahead and right click and lock the track.
Congratulations on completing another lecture. If you do like this course, please leave a review. Helps us to improvise the course. Thank you so much.